Fix microphone not working with Teams in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Check physical connections. It is essential to confirm that your microphone is correctly connected to your computer, as a loose or improper connection can often be the cause of the microphone not working with Teams in Windows. If you are using a USB microphone, make sure it is securely plugged into the USB port on your computer. Fix 2. Allow Teams to use a microphone. Insufficient permissions are a very common reason for Microsoft Teams not working issue. Here's how to address it. Scroll down to the Choose which apps can access your microphone section and make sure that Microsoft Teams is toggled on. Fix 3. Run the troubleshooter. Fix 4. Clear Teams cache. Delete all content in this folder. Fix 5. Repair or reset Teams. Fix 6. Update drivers. You should make sure that your drivers are up to date. The easiest way to do so is by using the Windows Update feature.